Hello, my name is Yuri Molodtsov. I'm product engineer in the Leica Captivate team here in Switzerland. Today I would like to introduce you to our latest Leica Captivate update, version 8. Today we will focus on hardware highlights, but don't forget to check our software highlights video. I will start with a couple of total station and multi-station improvements, and afterwards I will hand over to our GNSS specialists. With previous versions of Leica Captivate, once continuous distance measurements were started, you had the option of storing the most recent measurement with F3. Now, with Captivate version 8, the store has moved to F1 because the OK button on our CS20 devices is linked to F1, and often those of you that use tablets link a hardware button to F1. This new change actually makes it much easier to store measurements, particularly when using tilt functionality, where it can sometimes be difficult to see the screen and check the buttons. The second improvement I would like to introduce is the integration of AP20 tilted measurements into the multiple backsight and resection setup options. Previously, it was not possible to use tilted measurements in the setup app at all, but with version 8 we have extended its use into these setup methods. Aside from these total station and multi-station related features, we also worked on GNSS improvements, which my colleague Michael will tell you about in a moment. But first I would like to remind you that you can check any features mentioned in this video or in the software highlights video by downloading the latest Leica Captivate 8.00 release notes from my world, or by contacting your local Leica Gear Systems representative. That's it from me, and now I'll hand over to you, Michael.
With Captivate 8, the GNSS positioning algorithm has been improved to increase the RTK availability over short baseline. The short baseline affected is less than 5 km for single RTK baseline and less than 10 km for network RTK's baseline. The improvements are particularly visible under challenging environments, such here, under canopy and near tall buildings. The improvements are as well visible under increasing ionospheric activity. To get out the most of this improvement, you have to update both the GS controller and the CS to the latest firmware.